Nagbuhay sa inyong lahat. Kumusta kayo? My day is always busy, even weekend. That's my David's first day tryout ng taekwondo, guys. At first medyo nahihiya siya. And then later on, ayan, nag-enjoy na siya, guys. Wala na siyang pakialam. Nagugulat na lang yung trainer niya kasi talagang tatakbo siya, guys. At saka hindi siya takot kahit mataas pa yan. Go, 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 go. Kick, kick, David. I know you love taekwondo, so that's why try to do the tryout first. And then, yes, guys, if may time pa talaga na hindi conflict sa ibang schedule ng ibang bata, gusto din niya ng soccer, pero no time na talaga. So, I need to choose which one na talagang malapit lang. So, yan, nagpo-push up sila. Busy ako, guys, always sa kids activity. My 4 kids have their own extra activities outside school. So, kick more, David. You can do it. I know you're a big boy, you're strong, and he's listening that one, guys, kung paano ang technique. So, watch out for David. Headland Taekwondo. David is ready!